Have you always wanted to be able to play an instrument, but you don't know how? Do you have a child and you're looking for an interactive and innovative way for them to learn piano? My name is Joanne Barker, and I'm the owner of the Let's Play Music Studio, offering classes in Belmont and Dorchester, Ontario. Not only am I an experienced group and private piano teacher, but I'm also a certified ultimate music theory teacher. Thanks to the amazing training that I received and the fantastic student materials, I've helped to guide my students to some amazing exam results, with the most recent being scores of 92 and 98% on the Level 8 theory exam. Music theory is the key to building a solid foundation that will allow you to read music and truly understand it, so that you can enjoy playing music for the rest of your life. Ultimate music theory has really helped me to give my students a very solid foundation and understanding so that they can learn music on their own and even compose their own pieces. Music is my passion, and I love passing on what I've learned over the years. I believe that it's my job to give my students the tools they need so that they can enjoy music for the rest of their lives. If you would like to start building your solid foundation of theory or have any questions about my classes, please visit my website, letsplaymusicstudio.com.